Introducing Screen Booster, the modular upgrade solution for highest screening performance. Boost your screens to the max and optimize your profits. With the Screen Booster bearing unit upgrade, Andritz ramps up the operating lifetime expectancy of your screens dramatically. Every bearing unit is customized to fit into your screen. Available for the most common makes and models, this bearing unit is specifically designed for high production rates, high tip speed, high motor load, and high temperatures. The shaft package and bearing frame are designed as separate units. The bolted design allows for a quick dismantling of the shaft package without removing the bearing frame. This provides an easy access to the individual bearings, leading to minimized maintenance costs. As the shaft package is the only part to change, the spare part costs are also reduced to a minimum. The optimized technical design is the key for an extended lifetime of your bearing unit. The top bearing is loaded mainly axially by the weight of the shaft and rotor. In our optimized design, the inclined ball bearing is used as the fixed bearing to absorb all axial forces at their origin. Unloaded from any axial forces, the lower bearing now easily takes the remaining radial load generated by the motor below. Utilized as a floating bearing, the cylindrical roller bearing entirely compensates any thermal expansion of the shaft. By perfectly balancing radial and axial forces, the innovative design significantly extends the durability of the bearings. Protecting the bearings from leakage water is crucial to guarantee the maximum screen performance. The bearing unit upgrade features a double protection system to reliably protect the bearings from contamination. As a standard, double-acting mechanical seals are used to prevent water from entering the bearing frame, reducing the risk of leakage to a minimum. Additionally, rotating reflectors protect the individual closed bearing housings inside the frame in case of a potential sealing failure. Enlarged openings between shaft package and bearing frame ensure an unhindered outflow of leakage water and avoid both the plugging of drainage pipes as well as water penetrating into the bearing housing. Leakage water and grease are collected and discharged by a customized splash guard to protect the pulley below. The splash guard provides an early warning system for sealing failures to ensure optimized maintenance intervals and optimal protection of your bearing unit. Additionally, vibration and temperature sensors for online monitoring are available to further reduce the maintenance downtime and avoid unexpected shutdowns caused by broken bearings. Screen Booster Bearing Unit Upgrade. Realize the full potential of your screen and profit directly from a longer bearing unit lifetime, extended maintenance intervals, minimized maintenance costs, and reduced spare part costs. Visit us on andritz.com/screenbooster and learn more about other smart Andritz solutions to boost your screen.